Welcome to Moonshine Wednesday, or that's what it seems like. We're going to do another moonshine today, and today what we're going to make, because it's getting to be summertime, it's very warm outside, it's a beautiful day. Today would be a great day to sip on some lemonade moonshine. So that's what I wanted to make. Lemonade moonshine. I think it's going to be pretty darn delicious. Alright, so let's get started on that. But first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Alright, so what do we need for lemonade moonshine? Well, I got the recipe right here, and I will put the recipe down in the description box. So for the whole thing, it's going to end up making 2 jars, but you need 3 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of lemon juice, 2 cups of shine, and this is 100 proof shine. And you can put a little bit more in there if you like. That's up to you. And is that it? Yep, that's it. Oh, and then I'll throw a lemon slice in there, more for looks than anything. But I think sometimes that rind will just give it a good little taste. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, just as like I said before, this is going to be so easy to make. Let me put these over here so they don't roll off, folks. Alright, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to juice out some lemons, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the jar, I'm going to put a half a cup of lemon juice in each jar. So we'll see how much juice I get out of each one of these lemons. I might be able to do pretty good, hopefully. This is the most work it is, to juice the lemons. Now, could you use lemon juice that you buy? Sure. Yep, sure. But I happen to have these lemons, and I wanted to use them before they went bad. You know? How much have I got there so far? So 2 lemons. Alright. Alright, let me go ahead. Okay, 1. Alright, let me get these done, then I'll be back, okay? Okay. Let me put the... There goes the lemon juice. Thing I want in each one of them jars is 1/2 a cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar up to your likings. Yeah, if you want to put a little bit more in there, that'd be just great. You grab a funnel, but I know me. Okay, so 1/2 a cup of sugar. Now some people like to melt their sugar. I think that alcohol is going to melt it just fine. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup in there. Alright, so what's next? Okay, now what we want is we're just going to go through a lemon slice in each one. Alright, like I said, it's so easy, ain't it? Alright, and then what we want to do is I'm going to divide this cup of shine into each one of those. So that's 4, so it's going to be basically, well, I'm wrong. It's going to be 1 cup of shine in each one of them. 1 cup. Now, your shine, this is 100 proof shine. Hey, whatever you like, go for it. If you want it a little bit stronger, that's great. Alright, so now what I want is 1.5 cups just of water. Okay, and I might go 2 cups. I think I will. I'm going to go 2 cups of water. Okay, 2 cups of water. And you know what? I got a little bit of shine left over. I think just a touch more. Just a touch more. Bring it up to 800 milliliters. Okay. The only thing to do now is put a lid on it. Give it a shake, and you're going to walk by it, give it a few days, or you could, you know what, if you, this ain't going to take much, but it will get better with time. You shake it up, and now you have lemonade moonshine. Oh, this ought to be fantastic. It's a beautiful color. All right, made with fresh lemon juice. So I want to try this out. All right. Whew. That is fantastic, huh? I guess the last thing I got to say is enjoy your shine. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Lemonade moonshine. Oh, that's going to be good.